Roblox wants to make game development as simple as sending a text message, and if it works, this could become one of the biggest changes in the platform's history. For nearly 2 decades, creating a Roblox game meant opening Roblox Studio on a computer, learning the tools, and in many cases, learning how to code. That process created millions of incredible experiences, but it also stopped millions of ideas from ever becoming games, because having an idea and knowing how to build it are two very different things. Now, Roblox believes artificial intelligence can close that gap. The feature is called Build, and unlike Roblox Studio, it doesn't start on your PC, it starts on your phone. Instead of dragging objects one by one or writing lines of Lua code, you simply describe the game you want to create. Maybe it's a high-speed racing game through a futuristic city. Maybe it's a medieval survival adventure, or a cozy forest filled with hidden treasure. You type the idea, the AI generates a playable starting experience. In just minutes, it's one of the biggest shifts Roblox has ever attempted. Not because it's adding another creation tool, but because it's completely changing who can become a creator. According to Roblox, Build officially launched in public alpha after its announcement in July 2026, with testing beginning in New Zealand before gradually expanding to other regions. The goal isn't to replace Roblox Studio, it's to remove the biggest barrier to getting started. Once your prototype is ready, you can continue building directly on your phone, or, if you want more control, you can transfer the entire project into Roblox Studio on your computer, where advanced scripting, modeling, and professional development tools are still available. In other words, Build isn't replacing developers, it's trying to create more of them. And that's where this story gets interesting, because every time artificial intelligence makes something easier, people start asking the same question: what happens to quality? The concern isn't difficult to understand. If millions of players can suddenly generate games with a few lines of text, won't Roblox be flooded with low-quality copies? It's probably the biggest criticism surrounding Build. Thousands of AI-generated games, all competing for attention. Roblox says they've already thought about that. According to the company, simply publishing a game doesn't guarantee anyone will ever see it. Discovery on Roblox still depends on player engagement, how long people play, whether they come back, whether they actually enjoy the experience. An AI-generated game that nobody wants to play won't suddenly appear on the front page. It will simply disappear beneath the games players actually care about. At least, that's how Roblox believes the system will work. And honestly, that changes the conversation, because maybe Build isn't really trying to make great games automatically. Maybe it's trying to make starting a game dramatically easier. Think about how many people have imagined their own Roblox experience. A horror game, a tycoon, a simulator, an obby. For years, those ideas often ended right there. Not because they weren't creative enough, but because building them required skills they didn't have. Now, someone with nothing more than a phone and an idea can create a playable prototype in minutes. That's a huge shift. Of course, this is still in early alpha. Roblox continues testing moderation systems, AI improvements, and creator workflows before expanding the feature worldwide. The company has also confirmed that Build is only one piece of a much larger vision, with additional AI-powered creation tools already being developed for Roblox Studio itself. So this isn't the finish line, it's the beginning. Whether Build becomes one of Roblox's greatest innovations, or just another forgotten experiment, will depend on one thing. Not how quickly it can generate games, but whether those games are actually worth playing. Because artificial intelligence can build a world, it can generate terrain, it can place buildings, it can even create the foundations of a game, but it still can't replace the one thing every great Roblox experience has always needed: a genuinely good idea.